Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach about how to use fade in fade out effect in Capcut. So basically there are two methods to use. First, I will show you using transition. So you just go to the panel tab and choose transition. After that you can choose this black fade. So you can drag the black fade in between both of the transition for the fake photo. So you can see. So basically they have transition, fade in, fade out from the first and second photo. And you also can adjust for the duration, how long does the transition occur. You can have a look. So basically this is a longer transition. You can shorten the time and have a look. So this is a fast tempo fade in, fade out. So basically the second method you can choose for effect, and you can see at video effect there are two options. One is fade out and one is fade in. So basically you can choose the fade out and put at the first clip to fade out. You can put and drag the time, and you also can put fade in. Okay, so basically from the first clip you can press this to check for the effect. This is the transition time, and for the second clip you can press and this is the transition time. So basically you can see the difference. Okay, so this is transition, and also you can effect by pressing the right click. Okay, right click, edit effect. So basically you also can edit like this. So basically that's all. If you want to learn more, you can check the description and also leave a like to this video. Thank you.